Next, we're going to configure the radius server, because the radius server that's on board the RFS 4000 is going to be used so that when a wireless user, accesses the wireless network here, it's going to check the radius server to make sure that that user gets assigned to its proper VLAN, either VLAN 2, VLAN 22, or VLAN 150. And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to go down to this tab here called section here called Security, and under Security you're going to see something called Radius Server. First thing we're going to do is click this button here that's called Start the Radius Server. So click on that. Radius Server is enabled. Okay, that. The first thing we're going to do is go to this tab here called Groups. Under Groups, we're going to click this button. We're going to add a group here, and this group is going to be called VLAN 2. And that's because any member of this group is going to be given or is going to be told to go into VLAN ID 2. And all we have to do is set this VLAN ID to 2. And the only thing we want to do is we want to move over wireless LAN 1 and add it to this configured wireless LAN group. That's all we're going to do. That's all we need to do. Click OK. Verify. That's going to set the radius server. That's fine. And I'm going to repeat this for VLAN 22. Move WLAN 1 over there. Click OK. Yes. Confirm that little warning. And I'm going to add one more. This one, I'm going to call it VLAN 150. Right? And I'm going to assign this one to VLAN ID 150. Move over the SSID over here. And then confirm this message. Of course, anytime I make changes like this, I'm going to click Save here just to make sure. So what I've done is I've created 3 radius server groups, given them the name VLAN 2, VLAN 22, VLAN 150, and I just made sure that each of these new groups I created was assigned its appropriate VLAN ID. VLAN 2 to VLAN ID 2, VLAN 22 to VLAN ID 22. As you can see, I made a mistake, so I'm going to go back here into VLAN 22, and I'm going to edit it to make sure it has VLAN ID 2. So it's good that I double check that. I'm going to confirm that. So I'm going to wait for that to be, here we go. VLAN 22 is now assigned to VLAN ID 22, VLAN 150 is 150, and I'm going to click on Save again just to make sure those settings are saved.